Hello students. So in this lecture I will discuss about the how to use the how to divide a line into a number of equal parts using acute angle line method. Now suppose the line is 15 centimeter long as per the LOS. Suppose this is 15 centimeter long line. Okay, so as per the LOS I am drawing to 15 centimeter long line. Okay, so this is 15 centimeter long line. Okay, now you need to divide. Now it can be easily divided into say 3 parts or 5 parts or 6 parts like that. So if you want to divide this line into 3 parts, it will be 5 centimeter each. 5 parts it will be 3 centimeter each, and then 6 parts it will be 2.5 centimeters each. Now if you want to divide this into 4 equal parts, then it will not be easy. It will be 15 by 4, or you can get it will be in fractions. Okay, in that case you have to use this method, inclined angle line method. Now I will be using this. Now you have to divide this into 4 equal parts. Okay, so 4 equal parts here. First you can take this compass, any suitable length. I am taking it randomly. Okay, now I am taking it randomly, but I have to mark it only 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 arcs, any suitable length, but it should be same throughout. Okay, and then what you need to do is simply do whatever this last arc is. Say this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now fourth one you need to join with this extreme end on the right hand side of the line, 15 centimeter long line. Okay, then you can move this scale in such a way you need to draw the parallel lines only. Okay, so this is the parallel line from 3, and then this is the parallel line from 2. Okay, and this is the parallel line from 1. Okay, so I am taking, if you have the roller scale, then it will be very much easy to draw the parallel lines. Okay, so now these are the points which are the equal divisions now. So this line is now divided into, this is say 0 always on the first division, 1, 2 and 3, and this one at this end is again the fourth portion, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 equal parts. Okay, then similarly if you want to divide this line into first portion into 10 equal parts, okay, you can draw another acute angle line. Okay, any suitable length, then you can mark this 10 suitable length arcs, 1, 2, any size, but it should be same throughout, 3, 4 or 5. So suppose you want to divide this part into 5 equal parts. Now it will be very easy, just because if you do it with scale it will be in fractions. Now I will be doing it with this compass. Just join this fifth one here to this edge 0, then you need to draw the parallel lines only. Okay, I am drawing the parallel lines. Now it will be easily divided into 5 equal parts. No need to use the scale because it will be in fractions. Okay, now it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So in this way you can divide any length of the line into a number of equal parts. Okay, I hope you understood it. Thank you.